Hi everyone, this video is to share some of my favorite connections that I have to some very special plants that I put into my herbal teas. And so I do make a lot of different combinations, but I wanted to highlight nettles. And the reason why I love nettles so much is because they're really great for circulation. They're also a nutritive tonic, which means that it is serving to nourish and it's providing nutriment. So it has nutrients in it that are going to be delivered out to the rest of your body. So we can use these herbal teas for nutritive tonics. It also can help relieve some seasonal allergies, and the plant contains vitamin A, folate, vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium and B6. So it is a nutritive plant and tonic, and I love putting nettles into my tea blends. And because of that, it is naturally anti-inflammatory, so it's going to help reduce the inflammation in your body. It also is anti-hypertensive because it can improve your circulation. The next one is beach roses, and that's one that I add into my teas. I forage them from the Rosa rugosa plant and dry them, and it's more of an aroma therapy, but it can be very good for grieving and just calming. The next one is rose hips, and that's the also from the Rosa rugosa plant, but these are the hips, and those are packed with vitamin C, which also makes them anti-inflammatory. Again, I do forage them and dry them and then put them into teas. Very anti-inflammatory because of the vitamin C, and it also boosts our immune system. So it's a great addition to any herbal tea. The other one I really like using is oat straw, and oat straw is different from milky oats, but it does have iron and zinc, and it's a nervine and a nutritive. So a nervine is something that is used to calm your nerves and calm the nervous system. It's also like just deeply nourishing and calming and restorative. So I really like, especially this time of year, to add oat straw to my teas. And then the last one that I usually brew separately is reishi. And reishi is a polypore that's found on oak or hemlock trees. And this has many different properties to it, but it does help us balance our blood sugars. It helps us lower our blood pressure. It can decrease inflammation in the body, boost the immune system, and support our sleep. So I really like brewing this and some other herbal teas that I use for meeting my fluid needs throughout the day. So just throwing out, some new terms maybe is nervines, which is used to calm the nervous system, adaptogens, which reishi is an example of an adaptogen that helps the body adapt to stress and normalize the body's processes. So if something is, helping support all the different functions and they work together for your body's processes in order to get things to where they're supposed to go, decrease inflammation, etc., it really helps bring the body back into balance. Nutritives that I mentioned before is serving to nourish. So they have lots of vitamins and minerals and other nutrients. And they're all, have different profiles to them. So they're not gonna have the same thing as some of the other herbs and plants. Our nervous system, just thinking of these, drinking herbal teas is one way to really take good care of your nervous system. There's a lot of different teas that help calm the nervous system and help you with your parasympathetic nervous system. And then just thinking about the digestion, there's also a lot of herbs that help support the digestion. If we have inflammation in the digestion, then drinking some herbal teas is going to be a good fit. And you can find which ones are going to work best for you. You can talk to your dietitian or your local herbalist and just keeping in mind that the digestive system is how the rest of the body receives all different types of vitamins and minerals. So if we're really focusing on our digestive system, then the rest of our body is going to reap the benefits of that. So cheers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And I will be talking a little bit more about different herbs as the seasons continue.